Welcome back. As it's been a while, but a lot has changed in between, and I'm moving apartments, which is super exciting. I already started packing all of my books, so the shelves are empty, which like makes everything look super empty. I need to redo the whole thing again. I didn't think that books weighed so much. Today is the 9th of October. And I need to be out of this apartment by the end of the month. I think I'm getting the keys to my new apartment around the next week-ish. Maybe I can like move in even earlier. And let me tell you why I'm moving. So the reason why I'm moving is this apartment is just super expensive. This apartment is 38 square meters with the balcony, and the rent is 655 euros. At the start I paid like 520, which was alright, but like now it's like 655. Without utilities. It's just way too expensive, let's put it like this. So I found a cheaper apartment, but it's a bigger apartment, which is like the best thing ever. And it's like one of those old buildings. In Austria you have those like really cool old apartments where like the ceiling is like super high. But first I need to have the contract signed from them, because I already paid the first rent, I paid the deposit, and I already signed the contract. Now it's just a matter of time when they like call me and be like, hey, you can move in, let me give you the keys. So that's the appointment I'm waiting for. I'm on my way to get the keys to my new apartment. I just have to check everything, like sign the contract, and then I can measure some stuff because I need to figure out if my bed will fit in there. Guys, I got the keys. Welcome to the crib. I'm like so overwhelmed at the moment. I'm so excited, I can't even tell you. I have such a good feeling about this place. Alright, it's 2 days later. I got the keys to the apartment yesterday, which you saw in the clip before, probably, because for me it's 2 days later, but for you it's like 30 seconds later. Now I'm trying to make use of my free time and pack as much as I can. I just realized I need to pack everything. It's not like little things, you have to pack some of it. I literally have to pack every single thing in this apartment. So I thought of starting with my closet. I have so many clothes. I want to get rid of some stuff, and I want to donate some of the clothes. Okay, so this is what we're working with. So these are just the ones I have here. In my closet, I have this drawer, which I don't organize, as you can see. I want to get rid of those, for example. I never wear these, and yeah, so on. There's even like more up here. Cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day. These are just some bags, actually. Alright, so yesterday I finished packing all my bags and shoes in here. I also sorted out some clothes, which I want to donate, but maybe my mom and my friend will look through it. And I just got out of the shower. Today's to-do list for the apartment is contact or like clear everything with the moving company. If some of you remember, I completely like retiled my kitchen. Now all of this is gone again. I still need to remove this little corner of like the sticky wallpaper, and maybe if I get some more packing done, that would be great, because I'm leaving to Vienna tomorrow because I'm meeting friends for lunch there. We're gonna be back Friday afternoon. Then my mom will be with me, and we're gonna like clean the new apartment and also paint the new apartment. The woman that lived there before, she painted the walls, but like she did such a poor job. I'm so sorry. I don't know if she did it herself or she hired someone. If she paid money for that, she should sue them. I have like this really high ceilings, as you saw. The paint job is only like 3/4 of the wall, and it's not like even a straight line. It's just literally like however far they reached.
Yeah, to you. Why don't you come to stay? Cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day. Cause baby, like, ooh.
Alright, so here's the aftermath. I wouldn't recommend putting sticky tiles on your regular walls. On here, I feel like it's alright. There's like some residue. You can like easily wipe that off. Yeah, I need to paint over this. Alright, welcome to the basement. I have so much stuff. Like, how can one person have that much stuff, you might ask? I don't fucking know. Most of the stuff is like either still from when I moved out at home, and other stuff just gathers over the years. I mean, I've been living here for 2 years, but like still. I'm gonna turn on some music though now. Here alone. I know I'm with you guys now. I'm down here alone, which is not creepy because it's like a good basement. Also, the basement at my new apartment is straight out of a horror movie.
Why don't you come to stay?
In 2016, I went to Dubai with my mom, and we went crazy at, I think that was Bath and Body Works, right? And I just went crazy on them, and they have just like so much, can you see that, like glitter in them? I believe this can't sanitize anything, so bye bye. I haven't used you since 2016, so we're on our way to the apartment. It's a bit rainy weather today. We'll start with painting the apartment today. People are gonna pick up the chairs and the dining table today, so I need to be back at 5 at my apartment, at my current apartment.
Nothing ever stays the same. There's always room for better days. Now I know how to live life with a smile on my face. Nothing ever stays the same. There's always room for better days. I was crying.
Anyways, we're off to the hardware store. We need to get like a broom and... Was brauchen wir noch?
Som kostet, dass es vielleicht hätte mit einer Glühbirne fast.
So, okay, so we need a broom and some other stuff from there. And we also need to get a dishwasher because there's no dishwasher in the apartment, and I don't know, I feel like I need one. So we're gonna get one and like build it into the cabinet. I think that's the deal for today. I need to be home at 5 and it's already 3. Was nicht? We found the broom and like this thing for cleaning the heater. I know what it's called. We need a toilet seat. The current one is like so gross, so we're getting a new one. Maybe I should get like this one. We secured the goods. We brought all the other stuff to the new apartment, and now we're looking for a dishwasher. Sünden. Solche kleinen. Good morning! We're now off to the apartment. After that, we're going to look for a couch. Also to IKEA because I need some stuff. Yeah, see you at the apartment. Quick coffee break. We secured the dishwasher. We got a dishwasher and a cover for it. The curtains. This really nice guy from IKEA, he helped us put the dishwasher in here. That was like such a struggle. It didn't fit like for this much. Now I like sat on the bench and it fit. The girl just picked up the sofa and it's already looking pretty empty. It's starting to feel very real. Alright, I started on cleaning the heater things because they're like so crusty. And my mom's really cleaned the windows. Good morning. We're off to IKEA now. I need to go to the post office, hardware store, and looking for a couch and a dining table. So all done. Who knew that sending mails from your old apartment to your new one costs something? Or maybe everyone knows it but me. Alright, so we secured the paint. Just looked at more sofas. I'm not so sure. Now off to the next store. I saw one sofa that I kind of like. Quick snack time, by the way. I didn't like the fabrics of it. We're going to go to another store. I'm not too sure on what I want, but I have like this vision in mind, and I know when I see the couch, I will know. Day, I don't know. Okay. Day, I don't know what of cleaning this apartment. I started on doing the fridge and everything and like all of this yesterday. I need to finish the things you put in there, like the shelves and everything. And look what we got! Electricity. Wanted to have electricity by last Friday, and they didn't put it on until today, and today's Tuesday. I'm going to continue with the fridge now. I'm meeting a friend for coffee at 1, so I need to hurry, and then get back to cleaning again.
To you, why don't you come to stay? 'Cause baby, like